Whenever we start setting up our abode or even while living at the existing house, we always need adequate amount of organizers to maintain a neat and tidy space. And for that we rush to the market to buy them or search for them online. After all, organization is the key to simplify your life. But when we live in a rented house, it's not so easy to buy and collect a lot of stuff for our home due to space problem, due to frequent shifting, and another important reason is that we buy organizers as per the space available in our present house. But due to change of place from time to time, the existing stuff or organizers do not fit at every place. So in today's video, I am showing you some no-cost DIY organizers by reusing the empty cardboard and plastic boxes and some other packaged item containers. I have these chocolate stick boxes or containers that look beautiful and attractive. So I reuse it by keeping things from the same category like chocolate toffees in it. These containers are very sturdy, as you can see are made of tin. The lids are also of good quality and they are airtight containers. They are such good quality containers that I do not want to throw them away. Similarly, I have this cocoa powder box and I am reusing it to keep some toffees in it. I know I have a lot of junk stuffs, but I don't give that much chocolates and toffees to my daughter, and that's why I have a lot of stock here. This is a snack box that I am reusing with same items. This is a fruits carton or cardboard package which bears big quantity of fruits. I am emptying it up and going to use it as an organizer to keep some miscellaneous items in it. To hide this print and look nice, I am flipping this inside out. Isn't this looking attractive now? It can also be used as a tray. I keep the medicines in it so that they stay in one place and are easy to find. I also keep some other items in similar cardboard boxes so that I can organize them systematically. And just by pulling them out, we can take any item from it. This is a colorful cardboard box with a plastic tray inside it, in which sweets were kept. This plastic tray is very sturdy. I am placing it as an organizer in the bedside table to keep some supplements that come in daily use. Keeping them like this, all of them will remain at one place and will not get mixed with other things. By keeping it like this, it does not move from its place when we open or close the drawer. Next to this, I have kept another box as an organizer in which I have kept some more items. We all have these boxes of chips in our home. Reusing them instead of throwing them away is a better option because they are very strong and their base is also made of strong material. I am putting straws in it, which are for my daughter's daily use. Instead of decorating this box, I am placing it like this above the chimney as if I have kept a box of chips here. I am using this colorful cardboard box of snacks to keep some juice packets in it. By keeping them in this box, they will not fall when we pick them up or anything else from the cupboard. Using it in this manner, I hide the juice packets from my daughter who keeps asking for it whenever she sees them. I'm not covering it out with colored papers but keeping it as it is as it's looking beautiful like this only. These berries plastic packets look very small, however, they are very helpful to keep small items in the refrigerator. These tiny holes allow the proper airflow. So I am keeping green chilies in it wrapped in a paper towel. Here you can see how little space this packet has occupied. Why to waste these cute little soy sauce bottles? They are made of glass. Look how beautiful this amber glass bottle is. I am adding an artificial green plant stem to it and turning it into a simple and beautiful little vase. Some of you may easily recognize where have I kept it in my house. Yes, here is its place. I really like these colorful little boxes or containers that chocolates and candies come in for kids like Kinder Joy. I was wondering how could I reuse these little toys? Then these small jewelry items like chain rings came to my mind and I immediately found a room for them in this. Actually, motto is organizing each and every item without any cost and that too by recycling the things. This is a milk carton. I didn't want to throw it away after the milk was over and then sort of reusing it. So I cut it up and made an amazing organizer. Actually, such organizers are also available in the market. These are the ketchup pouches that are lying around and sometimes get spoiled. So I am keeping them and this spice box in this DIY organizer that keep falling over in the refrigerator. With this placement, these sauce pouches find their own space and can be easily picked up, and this organizer acting as a divider also. I have these transparent trays or boxes that cakes come in, and I am reusing them as organizers in my kitchen. I keep all my kitchen cleaning supplies in it and keep this garbage bag in this chips box. See how attractive an organized space looks, isn't it? I will keep sharing these DIY ideas with you all in my upcoming videos. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe Abode Diaries.